Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how can we learn Flutter completely, all the basic things in 7 days. If we talk about why I choose Flutter, I was planning to learn Flutter from last couple of days, and also Flutter is a very powerful tool because it helps you to develop apps on multiple devices. For example, your phone, your PC, your laptop, everything. And all this occurs by writing a single piece of code. So today is the day 1 and I know nothing about Flutter. So we will start with installation and setup of the Flutter tools. Today is day 2 and I am trying to learn the basics of Dart language which is used in Flutter, and also the working of the widgets. How do widgets work and what are the types of widgets? Today is day 3 and we are trying to make a project, the starting project, and I will understand the file structure of how Flutter works and how the files are placed in Flutter. As you can see, there are various directories, and in which directory what files are placed, I do not know anything. So I am going to figure out that. Today is day 4 and I am trying to find out how to make apps by watching this video which is given here, and also the link of collab notebook is also given, so I can find out with there how to build apps. Today is day 5. Also, I am working on this app. The advanced features are given. I am trying to figure out how to add these features, and once I do this, the app would be ready. Today is day 6 and I think I am ready, and I am going to start building a project of mine by myself. No help of anyone, no YouTube videos, nothing. Everything I will do by myself. I took this picture from the internet, and by seeing this picture I am going to replicate this type of app in Flutter with only these 3 screens that are visible. So we are starting that project now onwards. Today is day 7 and I am almost done with my project, and I am just finalizing and completing it. Once I do that, you can see the output. It works fine on my mobile device and it has a decent UI, as you can see. Also, it works well. Like, building your own app by writing your own code is really a great feeling. So guys, you too give it a try and try to make your own app in Flutter. Write down in the comments below what type of app are you making and how are you getting started with this. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next one.